Good morning, everyone. This is your Nilofer ma'am. I hope you all are fine at your homes and your studies are going well. So, as you all know that we are doing the syllabus of internal assignment A1. Our subject is English grammar, and in today's video I will explain you worksheet 12. So, as you all can see that from today we are starting a new lesson, that is lesson 10. Topic of the lesson is the present tense. The explanation of the lesson I have already provided you in your WhatsApp group through YouTube links. I hope you all have seen those videos of explanation and you all have understood the lesson well. So now let's come back to the work of today's worksheet. In today's worksheet, I will explain you the definitions related to present tense. So before starting the work, like always, you all have to mention today's date in your copies. That is 22 April 2021. With this, you have to mention online classwork in your copies, and with this, you have to mention lesson 10 in your copies. You have to mention topic also, that is the present tense. Now let's see the work of today's worksheet. So the first definition which I will explain you, that is of tense. So what is tense? The tense of a verb refers to the time when the action of the verb is performed. So when we have to recognize the tense of a sentence, we have to see the form of verb. So through the form of verb, we know that when the action was performed, when the action is performed and when the action will be performed. जो हमारा टेंस होता है वर्ब का, वो रेफर करता है टाइम को, जिससे हमें पता चलता है कि हमारा एक्शन जो है वो किस समय परफॉर्म किया गया. Example, you can see Ram eats bananas in lunch. So here eats is showing that it is present indefinite tense. Ram lunch में banana खाता है. Second, Ram eaten bananas in lunch. So eaten is showing that it is past. Ram ने lunch में banana खाए. Third one, Ram will eat bananas in lunch. Ram lunch में banana खाएगा. So will eat is showing about the time, that is future. So in all the sentences you can see that the form of the verbs are referring the time of the action, and that is tense. Now question number second is show the kinds of tense with their types in a flow chart. So we have to show the kinds of tense and with their types also in the form of a flow chart. So let's see. Kinds of tense. So there are mainly three kinds of tense, that is present, past, future. Present tense, which refers to the present time which happens now. Second, past, which refers to the past time which has gone. Future, which refers to the future, the time which will come. So each of the tense has some types. So now let's see the types of each tense, that is indefinite tense, continuous tense, perfect tense, perfect continuous tense. So if I will talk about present tense, so there will be present indefinite tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense. And the same thing will happen with past and future also. So I have already told you that in this video I will explain you all about present tense. So the next definition which I will explain you, that is present tense. The present tense of the verb refers to a state, event or an action that happens in the present time. So what present tense shows? It shows the state, event or actions that happen in the present time, that happen right now. So हम present tense में क्या शो होता है हमें कि उसमें जो हमारी वर्ब होती है वो ऐसी स्टेट, इवेंट एंड एक्शंस को रेफर करती है जो प्रेजेंट में, वर्तमान में होते हैं. एग्जाम्पल यू कैन सी ही गेट्स अप early in the morning. So here gets up is showing that it is present tense because we have used first form of verb with s or es that we use in present indefinite tense. वह सुबह में जल्दी उठता है. Second is she is singing a song. So here is singing is showing that it is present tense. It is present continuous tense. वह गाना गा रही है. That means she is singing right now. So in present tense all the actions come which happen now in present. Next definition is of present indefinite tense, which is also called simple present tense. So it is used to talk about things and actions that happen regularly at present time or are universal truths. So under the simple present tense, the actions come that happen regularly at present time और आर यूनिवर्सल ट्रुथ. सो जो एक्शंस हमारे रेगुलरली होते हैं मीन्स दैनिक रूप से होते हैं, एंड दोज हु आर यूनिवर्सल ट्रुथ, जो यूनिवर्सल ट्रुथ है, पूरी दुनिया के लिए सत्य है, दैट कम अंडर सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस, प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस ऑल्सो. एग्जाम्पल यू कैन सी द अर्थ रिवॉल्व्स अराउंड द सन. सो हेयर रिवॉल्व्स एस और ई एस. सो दैट इज अ यूनिवर्सल ट्रुथ कि जो पृथ्वी है वो सूर्य के चारों ओर घूमती है. Second, she often visits Chennai. Visits, S and ES. It is showing that the action happens regularly. वो अक्सर जाती है चेन्नई घूमने. Next definition is of present continuous tense. So by the name continuous, you can understand that it is about the actions that are continue. Let's see the definition to understand it better. It refers to the actions that are taking place at the time of speaking. ये उन actions के को refer करता है जो हमारे बोलने के समय पर ही हो रहे हैं. Like I am speaking right now and I am explaining the definitions right now. So that is under present continuous tense. Example you can see, she is writing. Is writing is showing वह अभी लिख रही है. I am not speaking, मैं बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ. So that is present continuous tense. Next definition is of present perfect tense. Let's see. It is used to talk about an action that has been completed at a specific time in the past but whose effects are connected to the present. So it is used to talk about the action that has been completed at a specific time in the past. Means एक स्पेसिफिक टाइम पर पास्ट में कंप्लीट हो चुका है बट हुज इफेक्ट्स आर कनेक्टेड टू द प्रेजेंट, बट लेकिन उसके जो प्रभाव हैं वो हमारे वर्तमान से जुड़े हुए हैं. सो दैट इज प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस. एग्जाम्पल्स यू कैन सी. अनु हैज़ फिनिश्ड हर लेसन्स फॉर द डे. अनु अपने लेसन्स फिनिश कर चुकी है बट वो लेसन्स किसके लिए हैं? आज के लिए हैं, फॉर द डे. सो दैट मीन्स द इफेक्ट इज रिलेटेड टू द प्रेजेंट. दे हैव जस्ट अराइव्ड. वे अभी अभी आए हैं. Next definition is of present perfect continuous tense. So let's see. It is used to talk about an action that has started in the past but is still going on at the time of speaking. So what happens in present perfect continuous tense? It refers to the actions that has been started in the past. जो हमारे past में start हो चुके हैं but still going on at the time of speaking, but जो हमारे बोलने के समय पर भी continue हैं, past से शुरू होकर हमारे present में लगातार चल रहे हैं. Example you can see, our teacher has been taking the class since 10 a.m. So here the teacher is taking the class since 10 a.m. 10 बजे से class ले रही है. That means she is taking the class right now also. नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल इज आई हैव बीन स्टडिंग फॉर द लास्ट 1 hour. मैं पिछले 1 घंटे से पढ़ रहा हूँ. सो द एक्शन हैज बीन स्टार्टेड बिफोर 1 hour एंड स्टिल गोइंग ऑन. So these were the definitions related to present tense. I hope all the definitions are clear to all of you. If still any confusion is there, so you can ask me on the WhatsApp also. I'll meet you in the another explanation video. Till that, keep learning, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye everyone.